Hello kids, say with me colors name brown, green, fair green, blue, pink, red, sky blue, yellow, orange. Write with me A. A is for alligator. Write with me B. B is for bear. Bear. Write with me C. C is for cat. Say with me cat. Write with me D. D is for dog. Say with me dog. Write with me E. E is for elephant. Say with me elephant. Write with me F. F is for flamingo. Say with me flamingo. Write with me G. G is for giraffe. Say with me giraffe. Write with me H. H is for horse. Say with me horse. Write with me I. I is for iguana. Say with me iguana. Write with me J. J is for jellyfish. Say with me jellyfish. Write with me K. K is for kangaroo. Say with me kangaroo. L. Write with me L. L is for lion. Say with me lion. Write with me M. M is for monkey. Say with me monkey. Write with me N. N is for narwhal. Say with me narwhal. Write with me. O. O is for owl. Right. Say with me. Owl. Write with me. Fee. Fee is for Founder. Say with me. Founder. Write with me. Q. Q is for Quilt. Coil. Say with me. Coil. Write with me. R. R is for Rhino. Say with me. Rhino. Write with me. S. S is for snake. Say with me. Snake. Write with me. T. T is for tiger. Say with me. Tiger. Write with me. U. U is for unicorn. Say with me. Unicorn. Write with me. V. V is for vampire. Say with me. Vampire. Write with me. W. W is for worm. Say with me. Worm. Write with me. X. X is for zeros. Say with me. Zeros. Write with me. Y. Y is for yak. Say with me. Yak. Write with me. G. G is for zebra. Say with me. Zebra. Subscribe for more video.